So here are the pros as well as cons of bottle feeding. What if we begin with what's actually great about bottle feeding? Number one, other people can actually feed your baby, so you're not like literally tied down and you have more physical freedom versus breastfeeding. Your diet is also unaffected as well as medications. Now, margaritas, cervezas, wine, that's also unaffected if you so choose. Now, another positive is that it actually takes longer to digest than breast milk, so you have less frequent feedings when it comes to bottle feeding versus breastfeeding. Now, in terms of the two, I would kind of see one as like, the short-term gain, which is bottle feeding, lots of convenience and margaritas, but maybe, for the long term, not so great. Whereas breastfeeding is like kind of like crappy in the beginning, but the long-term effects, if you check out the video, you'll see all of the like positive health benefits that you can anticipate in the future. Now we're going to go over just like the not so great stuff about bottle feeding. So you basically have fewer health benefits to you as well as your baby. It also can be more expensive because it's literally not free and made naturally. The prep cleanup is longer, so cleaning out bottles, cleaning out the materials, there's a lot of cleanup to do. As a mom, you also miss out on the calorie burning milk production, and you risk like bacterial as well as chemical contamination, either from like the water, the bottle, or the formula. You also have to anticipate that formula does go bad after being out for, an hour in room temperature, and it actually does not help your uterus go back to normal. So another little issue is you might also suffer initial pain from engorgement if you choose not to breastfeed. So here are the pros and here are the cons. You can check out our video on breastfeeding and also, just weigh your options. Up to you, mama.